Hi guys, I'm Hassa with Double TI and I'm a pasta lover. I always try to make some good pasta at least once a week, and this is by far my favorite brand, especially this whole wheat penne rigate from the Cecco. This is great pasta to have at home. It has great texture, and the good thing is that I don't feel bad after eating it because it's made of whole wheat, so it's not regular pasta. It's perfect for any kind of sauce that you want to use. It can be pesto, alfredo. In this case, I try to make and everything I have in the fridge pasta, so it came out really good and delicious. This is great for when you don't want to complicate your life cooking a big meal. Pasta is always welcome in my house, and that's why I love this one. It is great to eat it al dente, and it cooks really well. So if you guys are trying to simplify your life and have the best pasta at home, well, this one has helped a lot, especially those days when I come home late and it's already lunchtime and I don't want to do anything but rest. Well, I just make pasta and it makes me feel really happy. It's one of my favorite foods. And this one by the Cecco has been great. It's whole wheat, so yeah, you won't feel guilty. And that's my point of view.